Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can convert any audio to mp3.wav or any other format using this free tool which is called very popular Audacity. See, this is a desktop software I just installed here. If you don't know how to install this on the browser, you can just search for Audacity, and this is their official website. You can just download this. So once you download this, this is what you will see the interface. Let me remove this one. First of all, import the audio which you want to convert. Say for example, if you are taking .wav and if you want to convert it to .mp3. So we'll see that example. On the file, what I'll do is I'll click on the import, I'll click on the audio. So on your computer, see what is this format? This is mp3 file, okay. Better I'll take .wav maybe. See here, this is .wav. When I keep my cursor on this, it is showing like .wav file. So I'll select this, I'll open this. Okay. I can just play and check here. Okay, sorry. I'll pause it. Now, this conversion is absolutely easy. Click on the file here. And anyway, this is the tool where you can edit the audio. You can change a lot of settings. You can remove the background noise and everything. If you want the tutorial of this, please do ask in the comments. I'll do a separate video. Click on the file and click on export audio and click on export to the computer. And where do you want to export the file to? Okay. If you're okay with the D folder, let us click it on D. In which format do you want? I'll choose MP3. Okay. If you want to any other OGG, FLAC, WFAC files, M4A, AC3, AMR, there are different available actually. But right now, as we are doing the tutorial that how you can convert from WAV to MP3, we are clicking on the export here. I'll be clicking on export. You can change the name also here because already there is already same name existing. It is saying like, can I replace that? Okay. If I change this, it would be good. Okay. On the D folder itself, see, this is the MP3 file. Okay. Just now I did the export or convert, you can say. It's actually export, but from WAV, we have converted to .mp3. I hope this video helps. If you feel this is helpful, please do hit a like and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.